Welcome to the EPO training video, How to Publish to Excel. Click on Publish. You will have the Parameters panel, to select which attributes or variables to be published. Let's start by selecting the attributes first. Then, continue with the variable selection. Once you are done with the selection, you can click on Generate Horizontal Data. At the Data panel, you can see the sample data. Data is generated horizontally, meaning, all data will be exported into a single spreadsheet. At the top of the panel, you can see a quick summary, giving you the name of the sheet, number of columns and rows. Note, the Generate Vertical Data option is a custom SQL export, where units, attributes and variables are exported into separate sheets, in a single column structure. Once the data is generated, we are ready to publish. Click on the Excel icon. A pop-up window will be opened, showing you the location, where the Excel file will be saved. You can change the name of the file, then click on Save. You will see the confirmation message, saying, Data exported to Excel file. Click on OK, to close the message box and finalize the publish. Thanks for watching.